Hi, now that you've downloaded your Notion for Artists system templates and have added it to your Notion workspace, it's time to make it your own. I'm going to show you some quick, simple ways to customize your main workspace and to have it reflect you or inspire you. This cover page you can change as often as you want. All you need to do is go over here and you can upload. You can choose something from Unsplash. But I'm just going to upload an image that I happen to have in my folder right now. So maybe I want to have this image of a piece study that I've been working on. This may end up being a finished piece, who knows. But you can reposition it so it captures more of this. So this kind of keeps me thinking about what my current body of work is about. The next thing you can do is you can change out this icon. This icon, you could say, you could look for an emoji that says, maybe you want to say palette. Oops. And maybe you want to be an artist palette. You can update that. And the next big customization you can do right off the bat is to change this out. So, it could be your name. You could do a quote, whatever it is that makes sense for you that you would want to do. So those are your initial basic customizations to make it fun and make it your own. Follow and look at the next tutorials that you have in your database. Look for all the pink marked things on each page, and you can walk through how to get started in each section and really start utilizing and learning the system and the workspace so that you can create your best year ever next year.